If I ask you questions, you'd be like, just give me that. That's all I want out of you, just a nod. Al Borland, just Al Borland me. Right you are, Tim. Right you are, Ryan. That's what I want.
Holy fucking shit, Jesus!
Hi everybody, I'm Ryan Kruesi. This is my partner Trent.
Hi.
And today on Crafting with Kruesi, we're going to be repurposing this Harley Davidson wheel into a garden hose reel for your backyard or garden or personal space. So please like, subscribe, and follow along on our journey. Alright, well here we are with our tire. We're going to remove the tire from the rim. The first thing we need to do is remove the valve stem core. My partner Trent is going to start with a valve core removal tool. You can find these at Ace Hardware or Amazon.com. We'll put the link down below. Trent's been fully vaccinated for coronavirus. It really doesn't take most people this long.
I can't find it.
By God, he's got it. Now that the air is released from the repurposed Harley Davidson rim, we're going to pull the tire off using one of these blue and white tire machines. Trent, would you please pop the bead?
Oh, she took my part? Hey, fucking cocksucker! Fucking bullshit! You mother... Fucking come on! Oh, fucking stupid fucking piece of shit!
Now that you've got the bead broken, you got to make sure and get all the way around the rim.
Fucking mother... Ah! Fucking cocksucker! Ah!
Now Trent's going to take over. He has more tire changing experience than I do.
You dirty whore!
Hey.
God, all the fucking noise pissed me off! Shut the fuck up! Damn, this is fucking horse shit! Shut the fuck up!
Well, that tire has been on there for about 14 years and it's become dry rotted and very hard. So it's kind of hard to get off. We're gonna figure something out. We've got a saw. Spin around for me. The other fucking direction. Around there.
You don't want to go in the other direction!
Now you're just gonna have to hook that down there and bob the bead for me. You got the thing wrong fucking way.
Well, I'm just trying to try it, cocksuckers.
Here, my motherfucker! Oh, this is gonna hurt. Woo! Yeah, so now we got that side off. We're just gonna start working on the other side, and we're that close to having a reel for our garden, home, or personal space. So we're gonna take a little break right now. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's do the other side. And now that you've easily removed the tire from the wheel, we can start the exciting process of making the stand. Here we go.
Matt, you know where my gloves are at?
Hindsight is just me all the time. Okay, now we're at the exciting part. We're going to be building a nice little stand for our repurposed Harley Davidson motorcycle wheel that we're turning into a garden hose reel, or a place to just roll up your hose, or maybe stare at for a while. You could do some nice little paintings in here, or something psychedelic or something. So I'm going to measure from here to the center of where the axle would go through the bearing. I've got about 9 inches. Yes, I do. So I'm going to add a couple inches onto that like I usually do. I'm going to say 12 inches. That gives me some ground clearance. Actually, I've got a pretty big hose. Ooh, how much ground clearance would I want? I'm going to go 15 inches. I know that's pretty big, but I think my wife will like it. Trent's hitting up the chop saw right now, and I'm going to measure this out to the length of 16 inches, mark it, and then we're going to go chop her off, okay? Okay, now that we've got that cut, I'm going to just simply weld these two together and they will work as a tripod. Maybe bipod, I'm not sure. They'll hold the wheel, then we'll do a coping up here with the sanding discs. I'm going to weld this guy onto here, I think. I'm not really sure if it's weldable material. And then it's going to bolt on and off. Not sure why. Now isn't that something special right there? I could even maybe hang a little garden plant or a garden gnome from there. You could get creative anytime you repurpose something like this. It's really all about repurposing, because if you're not repurposing, are you really giving back at all? Let's hang a wheel from it, huh?
It's real hot right now and expanded.
So with that, I'm gonna let this cool down for a little while, take myself a little break. I'm gonna do some meditation, and I would suggest you work on your meditation as well. Comment down below if you think I'm full of shit. Stay posted, thank you.
Woo! Ah!
Oh yeah, does he have full penetration? He does?
Full penny.
Oh yeah. Oh, I think I'm gonna weld a little doo-dong on the end of that so the wheel can't come off, and call it good. That looks like something somebody would horribly cut their leg on, so I'll probably shave that off. You know what I'll do? Yeah, just that. Where's my whacker? Trent, would you pull this wheel off for me, friend? Thank you. I'm sure it's nice to have a friend to work with you when you do projects like this. You know, somebody that can help you, you know, come along, be there as a friend, and do friendly things for you. It's real nice.
Right you are, Ryan.
All right, Trent, would you get the f*** out of my way? Okay.
Come on over, assistant friend Trent. Why don't you shove that guy on in there? Put the rod in the hole, push it in. And you gotta force it.
All right. Now, I gotta weld something on there to make it stay.
That's a real nice shaft.
Okay, so here I am just repurposing again. I love repurposing, if you guys haven't noticed. I've got an old Harley Davidson bearing and a Harley Davidson wheel together. I'm going to do a little fuse weld right here to zap zap so this holds it on. They'll still have a nice rotation together. This is much less aggressive for anyone walking by or anyone that just has feelings against it. I think I've done a really nice job. I'm really excited. I'm going to go home and buy some hose and wrap it all around it And thank you guys for watching. I'm Ryan Kruesi. This is my friend Trenton Mikado. And this is Crafting with Kruesi. But seriously, my fucking wife is gonna hate this shit. I mean, no, but seriously, my wife's gonna hate this.